No, I wasn't, but I had heard of other initiatives like the Women in Engineering and Science that our company's been involved in before. My role within Amec Foster Wheeler is as Manager of Learning and Development, and within that, within the Capital Projects and Asset Management Group. And I'm responsible for the development of all employees within that group. I think the best thing about working in the engineering sector is that our engineers are passionate about what they do and they really want to do a professional job. And for me, the biggest satisfaction is actually helping them to do that. There are no formal qualifications required to reach my role, but there are ones that help a great deal. Most people enter HR with a degree, often but not always with subjects relevant to HR, like psychology, for example. No one actually inspired me to pursue a career in engineering. I just found a job in engineering, and once I was in the industry, then I've stayed there ever since. It's really interesting and challenging, and it's where I've always wanted to be. I think what makes it different for me is that I'm not an engineer, and therefore one of the challenging things I've got is sometimes I put myself in an engineer's shoes to try and understand things from their angle, and that's what I find particularly challenging and enjoyable. I think there is a gender imbalance, although I wouldn't like it to be that way, but it is. I think that young girls at schools often see engineering as a sort of a dirty, messy profession. I certainly do think they should be encouraged to follow a career in engineering. I think we need to get to them early, that is early in their schooling, and tell them what an exciting career engineering is, and do that by relating it to everyday issues and problems and challenges that we have. I would definitely encourage them to have a career within an engineering company. Our industry in particular, I think, is very exciting. It's very diverse. It's fascinating. And there are lots of interesting aspects to it.